Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will draw a beautiful car. I will draw this car with the help of this marker. You can use any type of sketch pen, pencils. Let's start. First of all, draw a bumper of a car. This is the bumper. Now draw a semicircle for roof of a car. And draw doors of a car. And I'll draw, and this is window, and this is a handle, a door, and now this is second window, and I'm completing it, and this is door handle, and this is backlight, and this is front light, headlight, and this is bumper, and now I am drawing tires. And this is back bumper of a car, and this is bottom of a car, and we completed our sketch. And now we will fill wax colors in this car. Okay, now let's start. This is red color and I'm filling it here. Be careful, your color should be in the line. And this is a blue color. I am using it for glass of a car. The yellow color I am using it for headlight. And backlight. It's a black color. I am using it for tires. It's a skin color. I'm using it for bumper. And now our drawing is completed. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to learn more beautiful drawings. Thank you. Oh wow, we draw a very cute car. Okay, now we will go for a drive.